Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy, you know who I am. Now, as you guys can see, I have gotten new headphones. And, hold up, yeah. No, but as you guys can see, I have gotten new headphones, and I have a mic, so I can't play with other players. And as you also can see, we're playing Hungry Shark Evolution. So let's get right into it. That's loading. Crap. No, but guys, let's get right into it. Let's go. I know I've played this before because my brothers have had it. I need a bigger shark for that. Okay, so that's just eating. Ooh, what's that? What is that? New mission unlocked. Okay. Mini jump. Ooh, what's jump? Whoosh. Oh, there's a person. Oh, okay, that I'm surprised. Let's go. Yeah, let me there you go. I'll just put you in the middle now. Alright, so let's just, ouch. Go through here. Ooh, I ate one. Shh. No one needs to know that I killed you. Oh god, I know that's not good because, I'm smart. And I'm pretty sure you guys should know that's not good either. Ooh, daily reward. Yay. Is all it will do. Ow, stop it! Okay. If you guys are curious why I haven't made a video in a while, it's because I've been really busy. Ready, watch this. What the heck? How does it? Oh, I leveled up. I think I'm level 2 now. I scared him. I don't have an idea. Oh, I got one! I got one! And I got another one! Okay, back into the water we go. And the more we eat, the better we are. Is another? Ooh, what's this? Oh, I got a gemfish. And then there's a gold rush. Woo! I'm pretty sure I'm annoying to you guys. Ouch. According to it. Watery gate grave. Okay, I think this will be part 1. Now let's just keep going. Some creatures contain coins or gems. Eat these and spend. Okay. I wanted that so badly. Yeah, boy. Oh, wait, hold on. Yeah, let's get the speed up. See how much do I have left? As the money keeps. Oh, let's go here. Apparently, according to this, I'm over 3. I've had that before, and I've had that before. Never gotten that. No, I've never gotten that. Special sharks. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go. Okay, guys, so what it be, what it do, so bolo. I don't know. Alright, so let's go after these guys. Hey, 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 hey. Hey. I just wanna say in the sun. I know that. Okay, let's see, are there any humans up here? Ooh, there's a gold human! Ah, crap, get back here, get back here, get back here. Ate the bird. See any more humans? I wanted that thing. I know it's hard sometimes. Ah, dang it. Ooh, there's a big one. Oh, guys, I'm gonna show you something. This is how sharks really go. Okay, so what they do is they... Never mind. This is not working out. Down. New mission unlocked. I thought we've been doing that mission. Ah, too much water pressure. I don't know what's over here. Ouch. I'm not talking, am I? Well, I've gotten verified, so now my YouTube videos will be longer. More than usual. Ooh, max boost. Ah! Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. Hold on, can I eat these sharks down here? Oh, I just ate one. Oh my gosh. Well, let's head on up here. Eat some more fishy doos. Oh god. Ah, those things are savage. Ooh, I wonder if I can catch that thing. Crap, I need my boosts. Let me just go. I just wanna stay in the sun. Oh crap, gotta eat these guys because I'm hungry. Oh, if you guys don't... No, I died. I just died. Okay, well, one more round and then we'll stop the video. And then I might make some vlogs tonight. I'm really not sure. Level 5? Oh my god. Oh my god. I just wanna stay in somewhere I find. I want a boost. I'm not gonna have very much left. No. Fire power. Now this is me when I see his face. Seafood. Oh my god. And if, in case you guys did not know, I love seafood. Basically, any sort of seafood I'll eat. I mean, I've never tried shrimp. Well, no, I've tried shrimp. I've never tried sushi. I want to, because it sounds good. But man, this is awesome. This is literally me when I see seafood. Food! I keep getting bigger, guys. Hey, I'm bigger than you. Don't attack me. Ooh, Gold Rush! Ouch. Venom. Pain. With venom, pain. I mean, it's venom. Ah! I just wanna stay in the sun where I went up that quickly. I'll just tell you this, I took the fish out of that reef. Let's do this, guys. There's so many sharks. Okay, that's it. Get over here. I'm Shark Fin Soup. Okay, guys, we'll end the video there. Goodbye.